Hi, Josh Brum here, Energy Storage Manager with Soligent, the largest pure-play solar distributor in the Americas. And we love you, California. If you're in the solar industry in California, you know about NEM 3. NEM 2 going away. Get your customers locked in for NEM 2 status before it's too late. The deadline April 13th at 5 p.m. After that, everything goes to NEM 3, where storage is going to be a required part of business. It's just a reality. Do you want to be running around knocking on doors, trying to get storage plus energy storage customers, cold calling people on the 14th? No, not going to be able to do that if you want to be successful. I have a recommendation. It's what your competitors are doing. They're lining up a record number of referrals right now to get their customers ready ahead of NEM 3 to line up those opportunities through the referral process. You should do the same thing. How do you do that? Well, all you do is create a VIP list of your top 25 customers that have given you the best reviews, that loved the work that you did for them over this past year. They love you. Let's do something with that value. Call them up just like this. Hey, Bob. Yeah. Thank you so much. We appreciate the kind words. We loved working with you on your project out at your property as well. Yeah. Oh, fantastic. I'm so glad that you're happy with the work that we did. Hey, by the way, since you're so happy with the work that we did out at your project, at your property, do you have any friends or family members or coworkers or someone you might recommend to us that could benefit from what we did for you, for them? We'd love the opportunity. Yes? Oh, yeah. Okay, Jim, your neighbor. Oh, okay. So you guys were talking about that and he was looking at your system. Great. I'd love to be able to go talk with Jim. Oh, his number? Okay. Thank you very much. Excellent. I'll give Jim a call tomorrow, but would you do me a favor? It's always good to do this. Get a warm introduction, not just a referral and hope that it works out. This is the best way to get a referral, is through a warm introduction by having your happy customer actually pre-call for you before you call to set it up for you. Yeah, could you do me a favor? Would you give your neighbor Jim a call today? You will? Excellent. Yeah, let him know. I'll be calling him tomorrow about 1 o'clock. And that way he's ready for me. That way he's already expecting my call. And would you be willing to tell him what a great job we did? Oh, thank you so much. We appreciate it. All right, Bob. Excellent. Have a great day. And thank you so much for the referral. Awesome. We'll call Jim tomorrow, right after you give him a call today. Okay. Thank you. That's how it works. Get your referrals right now so your customers are lined up when NEM 3 happens. Your competitors are getting record numbers of referrals. Are you? It's very important. It's vital. Get those referrals so you're ready for NEM 3 in California. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Josh Brum with Soligent, the largest pure-play solar distributor in the Americas.